Healthcare providers face some of the highest patient skip rates of any industry. Patients receive treatment, provide contact information at intake, and then move, change phone numbers, or otherwise become unreachable, leaving unpaid balances that affect both revenue cycles and the financial health of practices and facilities. At People Locator Skip Tracing, we provide compliant, professional skip tracing services for healthcare debt recovery under the applicable HIPAA and FCRA frameworks. Here's the professional approach to healthcare debt collection skip tracing. The HIPAA consideration: healthcare provider debt collection uses patient information including name, address, and account information. HIPAA permits the use of protected health information for treatment, payment, and operations, including debt collection as a payment-related activity. However, the permissible use is limited to information necessary for the collection purpose. Skip tracing for healthcare debt uses standard demographic information: name, date of birth, address, not clinical information. The FCRA consideration: healthcare debt collection is subject to the Fair Credit Reporting Act when consumer report information is used. Skip tracing for collections is a permissible purpose under FCRA, but compliance with permissible purpose certification, adverse action, and data security requirements is essential. The practical approach to healthcare skip tracing: the intake information from the patient's registration, name, date of birth, social security number, employer, emergency contact, provides the investigative starting point. Professional databases then trace any address and contact changes since the service date. Medical debt collection is subject to additional regulatory attention, including the CFPB's medical debt collection rules, which affect how and when medical debts can be reported to credit bureaus. Skip tracing itself, locating the debtor to make contact, is a distinct activity from reporting the debt and is subject to standard FDCPA and FCRA requirements rather than medical debt-specific rules. People Locator: skip tracing has been providing FCRA-compliant skip tracing to the collection industry since 2004. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to learn about volume pricing and compliance frameworks for healthcare collections.